Mr. Sangay.
Throw the mic.
I did play basketball in school. Thank you very much. Been a lot of discussion was about hardware, and the military and hybrid war. But as Dr. Xu said, China is winning the narrative. But literally, they're winning the narrative not by buying off leaders nowadays, but through their propaganda machine. They're able to convince people, let's say, for example, CGTN. If you look at their Chinese government television network Facebook account, has 123 million subscribers. CNN has 30 million, BBC has 60 million, Al Jazeera has 27 million. If you combine these three, right, still Chinese government television network has more subscribers. Now 8 to 13% of population in African countries watch CGTN. So, and then Xinhua News Agency has become a content seller or content creator for all the news media. So at least, of course, there's hardware and hybrid war, all that. But these are the things. For example, Facebook is banned in China. Can we persuade Facebook, if they're banning you, why not there be reciprocity? And you can't have Facebook with CGTN, So can we do something so that the narrative, mechanism through which they dominate the narrative are Western tools? The Chinese diplomats use Twitter, but Twitter is banned in China, so on and so forth. So to control the narrative, we must control the mechanism which are mainly Western oriented. Yeah.
Thank you. Responses?
Why are people watching CGTN in Africa? Because it's free. It's free to air. And, Australia was a really terrible thing happened in the Pacific a few years ago. The Australian government foolishly sold off their shortwave broadcast service in the Pacific. And a lot of people listen to shortwave broadcasts. And who bought the Australian frequency but China? And now Australian radio and television is playing catch up in the Pacific. And so is Radio New Zealand. And TVNZ, and they do offer some free-to-air content, but not enough across the Pacific. Our governments can carry on this same old behaviour of not putting the money into exactly, as you say, where people's hearts and minds are being influenced.